Hello everyone. So does Hulu work with Chromecast? Of course it does, and here we'll go in more detail about what you should know. So you can cast Hulu to your Google Chromecast, and so you can cast it to different displays using some supported devices. So let's go first through supported Google Chrome devices. So it's mostly iOS mobile devices, Android mobile devices, HULU using the latest version of Chrome on any laptop, including Mac, Windows, whatever, and Visual Smartcast TVs. So which iOS devices? Here you have them. We recommend updating your device to iOS 11 and above and download the latest Hulu app. So you need to have iPhone 5s or later, iPad 5 5th generation or later, iPod Touch 6th generation. Android devices, Android 5.0 or above, screen size of at least 800 on 480 pixels. And Visual Smartcast TVs. So here you can see the requirements. There you have it. And you need obviously to have the latest Hulu app. So now, how to cast from iOS or Android device? Just connect your device to the same Wi-Fi network as your Chromecast. Open Hulu app and tap the show you movie you would like to watch, and tap the cast icon at the top of the player icon, and then you will be able to select a Chromecast from the list. To cast Hulu from your computer, again just connect the laptop to the same Wi-Fi network, go to HULU.com and click cast icon on the bottom of the player and choose Chromecast from the list. So yeah, that's basically how you use Chromecast with Hulu. Hope it was helpful, guys, and thanks for watching.